Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome here. So today I'm going to show you what I purchased in Zara, Zara, Primark, Home Bargains, Lidl, and Sainsbury's. But it's just so few, guys, so don't expect that much because I'm trying to shop less since Christmas is near and I need to save money for Christmas. So this one is from Zara. And the first item is this yellow t-shirt, which is in the kids area. So I saw it. To be honest, I realized that my closets are normally black and white. So I said maybe I should add some color to my wardrobe. So this one I saw, I said, okay, maybe yellow is good. So yeah, for next summer. So I'm buying it because it's sale and it's for next summer. So this one, it's £10 and I bought it £7. 30%. And at the back, yeah, what do you think? Should I do that or not? Because normally, look at my clothes, all white, cream, black, like that, my clothing. I'll keep the receipt as always. Next is this one for my niece, I guess. So this is sale also, guys. Oh, I have online purchase in Zara, which I think next week it's ready. So yeah, I'll show you that one. So this one is £9 and I bought it £6. What do you think? Is it worth it or not? Or just the brand? So yeah, that one. And then in Primark, oh my god, we got this sale. So I bought it for my niece, which is, it's only 6, and then I bought it £3. Yeah, so this one, what do you think? It's worth it. Which one you like to shop, Zara or Primark? Next is for my other niece. So this is 4 to 5, like that. So this one is £6 and then £3. Looks nice or not? Yeah, like that. And then for my son, last time I purchased for him suit, yeah, and that one is 6 to 7, so he can use it in their proms. And this one is, it's 8 to 9 for when he's 8. So right now he's 6 years old, so 8, 7, 8, so yeah, 2 years. So yeah, but this is sale actually, that's why I purchased it. Yeah, so it's 23, but I purchased it £15, so it's still okay. £18 savings. So look at that. Especially for kids, I don't buy that, full price. And since winter soon, so this is $2.50 only. Yeah, but to be honest, I need to buy more. It's because my son always lost his gloves. Yeah, or maybe I put name more. Oh, I will buy in TikTok some label maker like that, or printer, something. This one is sleeper. It's very comfy. So yeah, this one for John, and another one for John. This is actually sale. So this is £3 from £6. Yeah, why it's like this? Why it's separate? Okay, anyway, that's from Primark. And then from Sainsbury's is this. This is sale. Last time I bought 2 more, yeah, and this is another one. It's because I'm getting ready for Halloween. So this will expire anyway, March 2026. So I'll just keep it for Halloween. So they have like roses, Cadbury, and forgot the other one. But check the expiration, because one of that, the red one, is expired October. And then this is from Lidl. So I don't know, I saw it not in the coffee area, but I liked it. Looks good. So I want to try it. I never tried this brand actually. So comment down below if it's good. It's £9. And yeah, I don't know, just because of this picture. Yeah, £9 is not so expensive because in Starbucks I purchased their ground bean £6 and it's small. And then basil, so good smell. I have mint here for many years. Oh, so I will plant it actually. I don't know, I feel like I like the smell of basil now. And then this is from Home Bargains. My son grabbed this. It's because back to school. He said, so I let him. It's just 49 pence each. And oh, this one is from Lidl. My son actually like it. Look at that, for mace. But now he's not asking for it, so I'll just keep it, also hide it and give it to him on Christmas or on his birthday. Because my son is like that. He will buy and then he doesn't care anymore. And then this is from Home Bargains. I like white plates and like that. So this is white. And it's very inexpensive. Like $2.50 and the other one $1.50. Something like that. Put it here. This is from Home Bargains. Let's see if I can do some cupcake. I'm not good with it, guys. And then burger becomes mush. So I will try again. And then this one is just 99, I think, but this is 100 pieces, guys. It's so much. Yeah, so I will try to, oh, muffin tray. Muffin, yeah, it's okay also. Cupcake, muffin. So that's the same, cupcake and muffin. Spam, toothpaste. My son loves this toothpaste. 10 pigs. I don't know why I bought it. I really don't know. I just grab it. You know, sometimes when you shop and then you just grab things. Ziploc, so it's school time, guys, for snacks and something, and like that. And the last but not the least is this Keep Out. I'm trying to have additional decor in my Halloween things, so that's why. That's it only. I feel like I bought more, but actually I purchased more, but it's food and it's in the fridge already, like so much salmons, chicken, pasta, you know, juice, like that. But I don't want to bring it up here, just some of that. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoy my videos. And what else? I don't know, I feel like I want to upgrade my filming, like that, but it's very hard, you know. It's very hard. It's not easy, guys. So if you know, if you're watching my videos, I'm always uploading every day. So yeah, but I feel like I'm uploading so much, but the quality is not so nice. What do you think? Comment down below. I know you will say it's not good quality, but I don't know. It's so hard to have quality videos. Yeah, so anyway, thank you so much, guys. Until next time, please do subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Bye.